Hi, welcome to Entrepreneur Class channel. In this video, I'm going to review Velocity Profit System. Velocity Profit System is a affiliate training course that is going to help you boost your affiliate earning through video ads, TikTok, and AI. The training is created by Chris Leader and his entire team. So first of all, what is Velocity Profit? What is Velocity Profit? It's a step-by-step system designed to help affiliates earn passive incomes. It combines TikTok, video ads, AI tools, and foreign traffic to drive sales. If you have been in affiliate marketing before, you understand how many people target tier 1 countries such as US, UK, Canada, and so on. But in this training, you will learn how to target foreign countries such as Norway, Singapore, and other countries like that. It teaches you how to create a video ad and target this foreign country with low cost per click while you are still maximize or increase your affiliate commission. Why Velocity Profit stand out? Velocity Profit stand out because it leverages TikTok explosive growth. TikTok is a untapped gold mine for affiliate marketing this year 2024. It's leverage AI power tools. Velocity Profit automate key process to simplify your strategy. So you get access to the free AI software that can help you to fast track your success. It can help you to create most of the materials you need to get an amazing result. So you don't need to spend money on the AI tools again. You don't need to spend money on most of the tools that you need to make high commission when you join Velocity Profit System. So what are the key features of this training? It's beginner friendly, so no need for prior experience. It's a 3-step system and simple step to turn traffic into commissions. As I said earlier before, the training is going to leverage on foreign traffic. You don't need to advertise on a tier 1 country like US, Canada, UK, where I'm going to spend a lot of money before you make sales. Then real result, user earn from 1k to 21k per day. This is amazing result that you can see, you can verify yourself while you join their free training. Many of these Velocity Profit students have been making consistent income every day, leveraging on what they've learned from this training. So what are the benefits of Velocity Profit? 1. Low competition. Most affiliates are not using TikTok or foreign traffic to promote their offer or affiliate product. So scalability, you can grow your earning quickly with minimal effort. So you understand how to scale your ad to increase your sales and get more commissions. Then it's the passive income. Once you set it up, the system keep on generating sales for you where you are receiving your commission. So this is a great system that that were taught by the $1 million affiliate. Those who understand how paid traffic can help them to build their business. So if you want to join the program, then you learn this simple step to create simple video, YouTube video, TikTok video to promote your offer while targeting foreign traffic. I will pay lesser and increase your sales. The real success stories. Affiliates using Velocity Profit have consistently seen results. Most of the better testers have seen results generating 1k to 21k per day. Depend on the product they are promoting. But this Velocity Profits leverage the power of promoting low ticket product where you can increase your sales in limited time. Then testimony shows high earning with the program unique approach. The program gives you the unique approach and how to use untapped traffic to promote your offer and increase your commission. So is Velocity Profit worth it? Yes, whether you are a beginner or pro, this system works best for those looking to break into affiliate marketing or scale their earning. If you are whether you are beginner in affiliate marketing or you are already in a system and you want to scale your earning, then this first program, a profit program, is for you. So you can learn how to quickly scale up your earning or learn how to the process work by getting access to some materials, resources, tools that you training that you need to start and start earning commission within 24 48 hours. So are you ready to start now? Then if you are ready to start, then download the foreign traffic blueprint and get started with Velocity Profit today. So what you need to do is to download the free book and get access to the webinar from Chris Readers and his entire team. So click on the link in the description of this video to get access to the Velocity free book that teaches you foreign traffic. Then also you can go to updrive.com/go/velocity to download the free book. So when you download the free book, then you also get access to the free webinar where Chris is going to reveal all his secrets and how he generate millions of dollars through affiliate marketing on ClickBank. So which this video help you. So don't forget, I'm going to share more videos on this profit on the Velocity Profit, and can get access to the remaining training, the webinars, and so on. So don't forget to click the link below this description of this video to get access to the free book and get started. I wish you the best of luck.